Hello guys, it's Rehan here, and today we will be going to talk about natural disasters. So let's start. Natural disasters are destructive events like earthquakes or floods that can cause significant harm to people and the environment. Let's learn more. Flood. It is an overflow of water, usually onto dry land. It's often caused by heavy rainfall or rising water. It can lead to widespread damage over the area. A landslide. It is a massive movement of materials like rock or debris and down a slope like a mountain. It can happen suddenly or slowly over long periods of time. Tsunami. It's a series of enormous waves created by underwater disturbance, usually associated with earthquakes occurring below or near the ocean. A tornado. It's a spinning windstorm that forms when air heats unevenly, often destroying things in its way. It damages houses as well. A bushfire is an unplanned vegetation fire. It happens more in foresty areas or rural places. It's very uncontrollable and it consumes bushes and trees. Volcanic eruptions. They occur when magma, ash, and gases erupt from a volcano. It releases gas or lava. Meteorites. It is a natural object from outer space that survived its passage to Earth. It goes through Earth's atmosphere and lands on the surface, often with a huge explosion. Earthquake. It happens when the ground starts shaking or trembling, caused by the release of energy when tectonic plates start shifting rapidly. A storm. It's a weather condition with strong thunder and lightning and winds. It causes damage or disruption to the environment. It also can cause bushfires and fires around the area. A drought. It's a prolonged dry period in the natural climate cycle, and it limits water and rainfall. It often happens in very dry areas of the world. Conclusion. It can cause damage and have a big effect on humans. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and please, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. Bye!